Good morning, dear student. I am Dr. Praveen Kumar Nigam, Mechanical Department, SIRT, Bhopal. Today, I will explain you the working of two-stroke petrol engine. This is the model of two-stroke petrol engine. In two-stroke petrol engine, there are four processes. First is suction, then compression, then expansion, then exhaust. In two-stroke petrol engine, these all four processes happens only in two-stroke. It means these all four processes which I have just tell you will conducted only in two movement of piston. So piston will move only one time from TDC to BDC, TDC to BDC, and the second round is BDC to TDC. Only two times piston will move and the all four process will be completed. In two stroke you can see there are three ports. In four stroke petrol engine there are valve, but in two stroke there are ports, three ports. One is the suction port. You can see this is the suction port, and second is transfer port, and third is exhaust port. It means fuel will come from the suction port, and the fuel first come here, not directly inside the cylinder. First fuel come in the crankcase, then it transfer to the cylinder and exhaust. So suppose in the previous stroke the fuel is already existed and the position of piston is upward. This is the position of TDC of the piston. Suppose the fuel is already inside from the previous stroke. So after burning, piston is going downward. So if piston is going downward, it means expansion is going to be happen. So first process expansion is going to be conducted, and as it will go down, you can see exhaust port is going to be open just now. So the burned gases will go out. So it means when piston is going down, two processes are going to be conducted. First expansion, second is exhaust. Now as it will go down, the fuel inside the crankcase will automatically come in the cylinder. So in this stroke, third thing is going to be happen. What is petrol fuel mixture, fuel and air mixture is coming inside the cylinder through this transfer port in this stroke. Now piston is coming BDC to TDC. So what will happen? Now piston is again going upward side. So this transfer port will be closed and the mixture of air and fuel is going to be compressed. So this is the process of compression, and when it will reach to the TDC at the top position, this suction port will be open. The new fresh fuel air mixture will come to this bottom side. So compression and suction, these two processes going to be conducted in one stroke. So the conclusion of today's lecture is there are four processes: suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. These all four processes conducted only in two stroke of the piston in the two stroke petrol engine. If you have any doubt, you can comment or you can call me. Thank you.